to Lisgahow, Mississauga.
A newly finished project by Bath Wyse.
This is a high-end project with a professional finish.
Our client is very happy with the outcome.
But don't hear from us, hear from them.
I'm Antoine, this is my wife Candace.
And we're the homeowners here.
I had a friend that called for some renovations on his washroom and his kitchen. I went to see his work and I find the work was very neat and nice. And I love the design that he gave and all the amenities in the kitchen, and I thought I would give Bath Wyse a call to have a quote done for my main floor. Oh, I love the design. The design was very professional, and I love the features he added in the design, like the kitchen rack, a nice big 3-foot sink, the amenities within the sink, like the dish rack and a cutting board. I love how he went with us to choose the cabinets, choose the countertops. We didn't have to go alone, and he helped us, piece everything together to make sure the countertop and the kitchen counters match, and the flooring matched the countertop, and everything was just a very, very smooth process. I love the fact that he went with us to all these different vendors to help us choose good material and to make sure we choose quality material. Our experience was very good. When Faraz came to give us a quote, he was very professional. What I liked the most, he came with a checklist and he came with a book with different designs and work he has done in the past to give us an example of what our house could look like. He made a very detailed list of what we would like to have done. He gave very good suggestions of what we could change to make our house look very nice, and he also gave us a detailed receipt when he would like payment according to what work has been done. I found the quote was very fair, and Bath Wyse handled all the permits. I didn't have to worry about anything. I didn't have to deal with engineers. I didn't have to call the city to get any permits pulled.
They handled all the work, all the inspection. Even the inspector was impressed with the job that they did here. He even asked for their contact.
The finish process was very well. It was on time, and there was a lot of work, the extra that was done as a surprise to us that saved us a lot of space in the house. And gave us some nice shelving to put up some family pictures and artwork. He helped us move our furniture back in place. He dusted and cleaned all the windows. It felt like we just came home to a new home that day.
I think they did a phenomenal job here, from start to finish, from the code to doing all the work here. They kept the place clean at all times. At the end of every day, they will also dampen the area to make sure that the dust didn't go upstairs, because we were staying upstairs. The guys were very professional and we trusted them. They were very trustworthy. We never had any issues with that. They were very punctual every single day. They did not start and stop at any point. They came here every day, even when they were waiting on approvals from the city. They will still come and try to do whatever they can in the meantime.
Within the process, we have changed a couple of the details we wanted done, and we added on, instead of half hardwood, half tile, we did the whole main floor tile, which was a lot of work. So I was expecting, a couple weeks extra added on just to lay down the tile, and there was no extension of that time. And even though it was a lot more work, the way the tile was laid down was very professional, and everything was still level. It was phenomenal. The timeline worked out perfect.
We should probably just add to that, I would definitely recommend them to any friend and family who's looking to get renovations done. The work is fantabulous. It is fantastic and phenomenal. The quality of the work is top notch. Everything is level. Our floors are so level, everything, and I love it. So yes, I will definitely recommend them to anyone that I know.